Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the volume of a cylinder. This is the picture of a cylinder. For the cylinder, this is called the base part. This part, it's called the base. The half of it, can you see this small line which is given 3 inches? That is called the radius. That is this part, the small part, that is called the radius. Suppose if this line is full, like it is extended completely, then that will be called diameter. So, which means this radius is diameter by 2. Which means the full diameter is going to be 6. Here they have given the radius, half of it, so diameter by 2. Again I am telling, if you see this black line, that is the radius. If it is a complete line, it's going to be diameter, and this part you can see the 10 inches, that is going to be the height of the cylinder. Let us discuss about the volume of the cylinder. The formula for finding the volume of the cylinder is equal to base times height. Okay, V is equal to B times H. B is the base and H is the height. So, this is the base, this is the height. Okay, now let us derive this formula BH further. You know what is this base? Base is a circle. In the case of a cylinder, if you see this base, it is in the form of a circle. And you know, area of a circle is pi r square, where r is the radius. Okay, but the area of a circle is pi r square. So, as you know, for a cylinder, the base is a circle. I am simply substituting B by the value pi r square. Pi r square, what is remaining? Height is remaining, times H. So, the formula for finding the volume is going to be pi r square H. This is the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. Pi r square H, where this pi r square is the base B. So, if you are given the formula as BH or pi r square H, it is going to be the same. Why this B became pi r square? Because the base of a cylinder is a circle. So, you are just putting the area of the circle formula, pi r square. When it is multiplied by this height H, it becomes the volume of the cylinder. So, pi r square H. Now, let us substitute the values for finding the volume. You know, volume is equal to pi r square H, where r is the radius and H is going to be the height of it, right? It's going to be the height. Now, let us substitute the values. So, V is equal to, we will put pi as such, times, what is the radius here? R is equal to 3 inches. What is the height? This is the radius, this part. This is the radius. The height is equal to this one, 10 inches. So, these are the values. Let us substitute. Pi r square means 3 square times 3 square is done. What is the height? 10 inches. 10. Okay, now let us solve. Pi times, what is 3 square? 3 square is 3 times 3 times 10, which is equal to, what is 3 times 3? It's 9. 9 times 10, that is equal to 90 pi. And it is going to be inch cube. 90 pi inch cube is going to be the volume. See, basically you won't put pi in the first place. After calculation, it is mandatory you should put the number first and then pi and then the units. That is the general way of writing this. And this 90 pi, you know, value of pi is 3.14 approximately. The value of pi is 3.14. So, pi is equal to, you can see either 22 by 7 or 3.14. So these are the values generally you will see in places. 22 by 7 or 3.14. It's one and the same. So I am just going to substitute the value 90 times 3.14 is equal to 282.60 inch cube, or you can see they will write it as cubic inch. Both are one and the same. Now consider the case where you are given the diameter and the height of a cylinder and you are asked to find the volume. You know, volume V is equal to pi r square h. But here the radius is not given. Instead, what they have given is diameter. Instead of radius, they have given the diameter. So diameter is generally denoted as d. And this diameter is actually 2 times the radius. As I told you in the last last case, we had the radius, half of this was there. But here what they have given is the full length, that is, this part is called the diameter. So this complete diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So simply what is radius? Diameter by 2, half of diameter. So radius in this case is going to be 10 because diameter is given as 10. 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 feet is the unit given. So 5 feet is the radius. So in this case, you don't have the radius directly. So first we need to find the radius from this diameter in order to find the volume. So the radius is going to be half of diameter, d by 2. So 5 feet is going to be the radius r. So r is equal to 5 feet. Height is equal to this one, this 21 feet. So we got all the values, and you know the value of pi is going to be 3.14. Now you have all the values. Let us calculate the volume. Volume is equal to, what is pi? 3.14. What is r? R is equal to 5. So times 5 square times, what is h? It's going to be 21. We substituted all the values. Let us see how to calculate. 3.14 times, what is 5 square? 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 21. 5 times 5 times 21, which is 3.14 times 25 times 21. You can use the calculator or you can do it by the multiplication by yourself. I am just using the calculator. 3.14 times 25 times 21, which is equal to 1648.50. 50, it is feet cube, or you can write it as 1648.50 cubic feet. Both are one and the same. So this tells you how to find the volume when a diameter and height is given instead of radius. Okay. Hope you have understood about the volume of cylinder in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. We will be watching volume of sphere in the next video. Thanks for watching.